Hello children, welcome to this video in which I will be telling you how to identify nouns and how to classify them into their various categories. For example, we have common nouns and proper nouns, collective noun, abstract noun. So how to identify what type of noun these are. So children, directly come to the first sentence. The first sentence is the crowd was very big. Now children, what is this crowd? Crowd is a collection of people. So it's collective noun. Come to the second sentence. Always speak the truth. Now truth is a quality. It's an attribute which can't be seen or touched. So it is something which is abstract. So abstract noun. We all love honesty. Again, beta, here honesty is what? It's a quality which can't be seen or touched. It can only be felt. So it's an example of abstract noun. Our class consists of 20 pupils. Class, name of collection of children. It's a collective noun. Pupils. Now every student is a pupil. Every student is a scholar. So it's an example of common noun. The elephant, name of an animal. It can be any elephant, common noun. Strength, an example of abstract noun. Solomon, it's a name of a king. It's a name of a definite person. So Solomon is a proper noun. And wisdom, beta, is an example of quality. It's an abstract notion. So abstract noun. Okay. Cleanliness is next to godliness. So what is this cleanliness? It's a quality. Again, godliness is a quality. So these are the examples of abstract notions, abstract noun. We saw a fleet of ships. So what is this fleet? This word fleet resembles a collection, a group of something, a group of in fact ships. So it's an example of collective noun. Harbor, but it can be any harbor. Every seaport is a harbor. So common noun. The class is studying grammar. What is class? Class, beta, as I have already told you, it's a collection, it's a group of children. It's an example of collective noun. Grammar, it's a set of knowledge. Now it can be any grammar. It can be a grammar of Sanskrit language. It may be the grammar of English, Hindi. So it's a common noun. Godavari overflows its banks every year. So Godavari is the name of a definite river. It's proper noun. Banks, kinara, nadi ka kinara, banks. It can be bank of anything, any river. So it's common noun. A committee was appointed. A committee of 5 was appointed. So, beta children, what is this committee? Committee is again a group of people. Several people come together and form a committee. So committee is an example of collective noun. Next example, Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister of India. Jawaharlal Nehru, it's the name of the first Prime Minister of India. It's a specific, it's an example of proper noun. Prime Minister, now this word Prime Minister can be used for the Prime Minister of any country. It's common noun. India, name of a definite country. It's proper noun. Next, the soldiers. Now who are soldiers? Who are these soldiers? It can be any soldier. It can be used for a group, for the soldier of any country. The soldier is a common noun here. The soldiers were rewarded for their bravery. Bravery here again is an attribute. It's a quality. So it's an example of abstract noun. Okay, children. So this is how you have to solve these things. Sentence number 14. Without health, there is no happiness. So what is this health? Health, beta, is a state. It's a condition. ये एक दशा को इंगित करता है, शो करता है. So it's an example of abstract noun. Happiness likewise also is an example of abstract noun. Okay. He gave me a bunch of grapes. Bunch is what? गुच्छा होता है. It's a bundle, collection. So collective noun. I recognized your voice at once. Voice. Now, voice is what? It can't be seen or touched. It can only be felt and heard. Heard. It can only be felt and heard. So, what is it? It's an example of abstract noun. Our team is better than theirs. Our team, collection of players, a collection of anything, collection, I mean to say collection, it must be a collection of people doing a specific task. So it's an example of collective noun. Never tell a lie. Lie is an attribute. It's a negative attribute. It's a negative quality. So abstract noun. Wisdom is better than strength. Here again, better wisdom and strength. Both are qualities. These both are qualities and examples of abstract noun. Sentence number 20. He sets a high value on his time. Time is what? Now, time can be measured in several parameters like seconds, hour, minutes. So, it's what? The time is something which is common. It's not specific. What type of kind is it? So, time is a common noun. And value. Value beta value hoti hai. It's an attribute. So, it's an example of abstract noun. I believe in his innocence. Innocence again is a quality. It's an example of abstract noun. This room is 30 feet in length. So what is this room? Room can be any room. It's a common noun. Feet. Feet क्या होता है? Feet is a specific measurement of length. Length को नापने की एक specific unit है. So it is something specific. And therefore is an example of proper noun. Length. Now length can be measured in any parameter like kilometers, meter, centimeter, yards. So length can be used for a common measurement. So it's an example of common noun. I often think of the happy days of childhood. Childhood is a state, it's a condition. It's an abstract noun. Days, maybe any days. Common noun. Street. The street of some of our cities are noted for their crookedness. So what is the city, children? City is a common noun. It may be any city. Street. It may be any street. It's not a specific mentioned street here. It's not specifically mentioned here, no? So that's why it's an example of common noun. Crookedness, ubad khabad. It's a quality, and you know quality comes under the category of abstract noun. Now what's your verdict? Verdict means judgment. Judgment which is given by the judges of the court. So verdict is something which is a quality, it can't be seen and touched. So it's an example of abstract noun. Gentleman, it's used for all the male actually human beings. So gentleman is used for any man, any male. So it's an example of common noun. Jury. Now what's the meaning of this word jury, children? Jury is a collection of judges, is a group of judges. So accordingly it will be a collective noun. Hope, children, you must have understood how to identify nouns and how to provide them their categories. This is all I have in this video. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.